Hello! In this video, we are going to talk about the AREC DS-9CU speaker tracking station and how it works together with Sennheiser TeamConnect Ceiling Medium microphones. You do not need any programming, software, additional payments in order to make this work, simply because these devices work out of the box. So all you do is select the right model in the list of supported systems, enter its IP address, configure the speaker presets, and you're good to go. So as you can see right now, I am talking and I am displayed by the system.
And when another person joins the conversation, then the system will also track them automatically. It will display who is speaking at the moment, and it will make changes on the video composition, which video sources are being displayed, and also the background and the overlays automatically. So you don't need any operator to use this system.
You can connect plenty of devices to your DS-9CU, network, USB or HDMI cameras.
And you can connect computers too.
And wireless content sharing tools and devices can be used as well.
You can use different kinds of hardware for video conferencing as well.
Guys, but what about outputs of the system?
You can take the video and connect it as a web camera to your video conferencing hardware and software. Also, you can start a stream, and using NDI, RTMP, SRT, it will be very easy. You can choose a mixed video or individual source that you are going to show to your local audience.
And this is exactly how the system works as well with the other brands of microphones that are already integrated, such as Audio-Technica, Bosch, Shure, Televic, and others.
You can add even more value to the system by pairing it together with an AREC media station. Because if you would like to add recording or streaming, this is the perfect companion. Together they have this special integration which allows the DS-9CU to control the recording and streaming theme on a connected media station. And you can change that depending on each microphone speaker. So if you would like to know more about the DS-9CU, see how it works live, make sure to scan the QR code at the end of this video, and we will arrange a personalized demonstration for you at your convenience. So thank you very much, and looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.